Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be talking about the nerve supply of face. So let's start the video. Nerve supply of face is divided in two parts, that is motor supply and the sensory supply. Here the motor supply means related to your muscle contraction, that is the muscles which is responsible for your facial expression. So these motor supply is through your cranial terminal branches of facial nerve, which is a cranial nerve 7, and sensory supply means responsible for your sensation. These are through your trigeminal nerve, which is a cranial nerve 5. So now first we read about the motor supply of the face. Motor supply of the face is basically through your terminal branches of the facial nerve. Facial nerve give 5 terminal branches. How will you remember all the terminal branches of the facial nerve? This can be easily remembered through the simple mnemonic, that is 10 zebra bit my cat. This is given in your BD Chaurasia book. So this mnemonic is not framed by me. This is already mentioned in your book. So here T stand for temporal, Z stand for zygomatic, B stand for buccal, M stand for marginal mandibular, C stand for cervical. Here the temporal branch will supply to your frontalis muscle, auricular muscle and orbicularis oculi muscle. This mnemonic is framed by me, so you can easily remember the temporal branch will supply to your foam. In the easy way you can remember foam. Here M stand for muscle, so F stand for frontalis muscle, O stand for orbicularis oculi muscle, A stand for auricular muscle. Now zygomatic branch will supply to your orbicularis oculi. How will you remember this? This can be easily remembered by JU. Zygomatic will supply to your orbicularis oculi muscle. Now buccal branch B here supply to your obviously to your cheek and the lower lip. This can be remembered it as BCL. Buccal branch will supply to your cheek and the lower lip. Cheek and the upper lip. So M stand for marginal mandibular. So marginal mandibular will supply to your, now here buccal will supply to your upper lip and then marginal mandibular will supply to your lower lip. So it's easily remembered as ML. Means marginal mandibular will supply to your lower lips. Cervical branch will supply to the platysma muscle, which is a muscle of your neck. I have written the mnemonic whatever I have explained. So temporal branch will supply to your foam. You can easily remember it as foam, that is F stand for frontalis, O stand for orbicularis oculi, A stand for auricular, M here for muscle. So you can remember it as foam. Zygomatic branch is remembered it as JU, that is Z stand for zygomatic and O stand for orbicularis oculi. Buccal branch will supply CL, that is you can remember it as BCL, that is cheek and the lip upper. Marginal mandibular, you can remember it as ML, that is M stand for marginal mandibular and L stand for lower lip. Cervical is remembered it as CP, that is C stand for cervical and P stand for platysma. Now we will read about the sensory supply of face. Now we know about the sensory nerve supply of the face. Sensory nerve supply of the face is through your trigeminal nerve, which is a cranial nerve 5th. All the area were supplied by the trigeminal nerve except the skin over the angle of mandible and over the parotid gland. These areas were supplied by your great auricular nerve. This you have to remember it, so it may be asked as your MCQ question. Now trigeminal nerve has the 3 branches, that is ophthalmic nerve, maxillary nerve and the mandibular nerve. So ophthalmic nerve will supply to the region near to your eye, as the name indicate ophthalmic, near to your eye. Maxillary nerve will supply to your area near the maxilla and mandibular nerve will supply to your area near the mandible. So ophthalmic nerves, there are 5 branches, and here we'll go with each branch. So now we will see this sensory supply through the diagram. Ophthalmic division will supply the area near to your eye. It has 5 branches, that is supratrochlear, supraorbital, lacrimal, infratrochlear and external nasal. So supratrochlear will supply to your upper eyelid and forehead. So this one is supratrochlear, supra means above, supraorbital, above the orbit. It will supply to your upper eyelid and frontal air sinus. So this one will be supraorbital and this one is supratrochlear. Now lacrimal nerve will supply to your lateral part of your upper eyelid. So this one is lacrimal nerve. Infratrochlear will supply to your medial part of your eyelid. So this one is infratrochlear. Supratrochlear and this one is infratrochlear. So here it's 4. Now external nasal will supply to your lower part of the dorsum. So here some over here external nasal. Now we'll see this maxillary nerve. Maxillary nerve will supply to the area near to your maxilla. So maxillary division has 3 nerves: infraorbital, zygomaticofacial and the zygomaticotemporal. Infraorbital means lower eyelid is supplied by this and your side of the nose and upper lips. So infraorbital. Now zygomaticofacial. Zygomaticofacial will supply your upper part of the cheek. So zygomaticofacial is somewhere here. Zygomaticofacial. Now third one is zygomaticotemporal. Zygomaticotemporal will supply your anterior part of the temporal region. So temporal bone is here. So zygomaticotemporal. So this one is infraorbital. Second one is zygomaticofacial. Third one is zygomaticotemporal. Now mandibular nerve will supply to your the area near the mandibular. So it has 3 branches: auriculotemporal, buccal nerve and the mental nerve. Auriculotemporal will supply your 2/3 of the lateral side of the auricle. So if ear is here, so auriculotemporal will somehow here, auriculotemporal. Buccal nerve will supply to your cheek region. So buccal nerve will be here, cheek region here. Now mental nerve will supply your chin. So mental nerve will be somehow here. So one is auriculotemporal, buccal nerve, third is mental nerve. So this one is ophthalmic division. This one is maxillary division, and this one is mandible division. So these are the nerve supply, sensory nerve supply of the face. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe the channel. You can also comment in the comment section if you have any doubt, or you can also suggest me the topic for my next video. For more detail, you can check the description box. Thank you.